transforming a 200 square meter vacant plot of land into an automatic car wash facility. Transforming a 200 square meter vacant plot of land into an automatic car wash. Go&Go has met many people who own land, sometimes even plots that have been vacant for a long time. They are unsure what to do with it effectively, and the common question is, can I do with a 200 square meter area to make money? In reality, 200 square meter is not small if you know how to utilize it properly, especially with an automatic car wash model. It's considered an ideal area to set up a well-organized, tidy car wash station with long-term operational capabilities. Many people still think that automatic car washes require a very large space, several hundred square meters, just to place a machine and add a waiting area and technical area. But what not necessarily is true. With reasonable layout, 200 square meters can be divided into a car washing area, vehicle entry and exit, a customer waiting area, and additional space for accompanying service. The important thing is not the size of the land, but how you organize the flow of vehicle and the customer experience. If the location has a relative wide frontage, is near a residential area, close to the main road with high traffic, or in developing area, that is a huge advantage. Cars are no longer rare. Even car washes are not just concentrated on weekend, but are separate throughout the week. As long as the location is easily visible and accessible, many customers will find their way there without needing excessive advertising. The biggest strength of an automatic car wash model is speed and stability. With manual washes, each car takes 30 to 40 minutes or even longer during peak hour. Cars light up, customers get tired waiting, and workers are exhausted. But with an automatic car wash system, each car only takes about 8 to 10 minutes to complete the basic process, significantly faster. And important, the quality of washes is consistent across all vehicles. When washing time is shortened within the same time frame, the driver can serve more cars without needing to increase stock. This is a key point that makes the business easier to manage. Instead of relying entirely on labor, the work is lighter and management is much simpler. With 200 square meters, the driver can think beyond just washing cars. When customers have their car washes, they often tend to use additional service if they find it's convenient, such as vacuuming the interior, cleaning the cockpit, sweeping the window, and quick polishings. These are all services that don't require a large investment, but add value to its car. A car being washed does not just generate revenue from the washing itself, but also open up multiple revenue streams. The waiting area for customers is also a factor that should be considered from the start. No need for anything fancy, just cleanliness, a roof, and comfortable seating. Cool drinks are enough to create this positive impression. When customers feel respected and well served, the likelihood of them returning is very high. And once you have a regular customer, the car wash will operate much more stably than relying solely on walk-in customers. Another advantage of the automatic car wash model is its long-term potential. The equipment is a one-time investment, but can be used for many years if properly maintained. Operating costs such as electricity, water, and chemical are clearly controlled and do not fluctuate significantly with the number of cars. Meanwhile, labor costs, if done manually, are a recurring expense each month. The longer the process, the greater the bundle. Many people start out often worry about whether they can sustain without previous experience in the car wash industry. In reality, automatic car wash is a very suitable model for beginners. The operating process is standardized, the operation is simple, and it does require high skill level like manual washes. More importantly, we choose the right solution and receive proper guidance from the start. Go&Go does not just implement automatic car wash projects or simply supply machinery. Go&Go also provides support. We guide you on business layout and how to implement this model. In the current context, when many people are looking to effectively utilize available land, transforming 200 square meters of vacant land into an automatic car wash station is a very wise option. There's no need to trace overly complex model or try to handle too many aspects. Just focus on providing a high-demand service, ensuring stable operation, and gradually expanding as needed. If you are interested in learning about how you can implement a business model on your 200 square meter space and the operation cost, please contact Go&Go. Our team will provide detailed, practical advice tailored to your specific needs. We look forward to serving you.